Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. I'm continuing my Build from Scratch series. Just did a quick survey of the world here. I connected, and everything was okay. Then I put a blueprint down here and connected with RoboPorts from the main factory over to this wall and up to this wall. And are you connected? Yes, and down to this wall. So what that allows is you can see there's these little squares right here. Those are bots, and there's a button that turns that on right here. Worker robot button. So the bots are flying up there from the main factory, and they are placing laser turrets because I can build those now. Oh, they placed one there. They're placing them, and they also have access to the repair stuff. So if there's any damage up there, which there has not been, but if there's any damage on the wall, then the supplies to repair it will be accessible. So there you can see those placing those laser turrets there. I've not done that over here because these are pretty far away. So I don't know. I'll think about that. I didn't need to do this one. I just wanted to get it started to show you an option for connecting your wall to the ability to get repaired. I thought I would do the repair station. In fact, I have the wall repair station, didn't I? Oh, that's right. I did not have the chests researched so that I could build the other end of this. Let's do that. So at this wall, there's a wall repair station, and it's meant for the train to bring supplies, and it puts the supplies into the chests, and you can see that the items that are loaded, these are filter inserters. You can see what's expected on the train: pipe to ground wall, medium electric flamethrower turrets, construction bots, and repair packs. And so that's what the train is supposed to be delivering. Okay, that's right. So I did not have the chests, the logistic chests research to build the other end of this, because obviously you've got to put stuff into the train in order for this to work. So let's do that. Let's see. It has to be along the rail here, and it has to be in the logistic part of the network, which means the orange part. Let me go down here. Why are you blinking? You don't have power. Huh. Okay. Any particular reason why you don't have power? Okay, so let's see. Where's my... It's called wall. Oh, wait, it'd be in rail and wall. That's kind of odd that a wall station would be in the rail and wall book. Wall supply station. So wall repair is the one that goes on the wall. That's the one that's already out there. And wall supply is the one where the train picks up the supplies. So that's what I want. And it has to be in the chests. The logistic chests need to be in the orange part of this network. Give me a siding. I just want a straight siding. I don't have this. Doesn't need to be that big, but that's fine. And then give me wall supply. Where'd you go, wall supply? Right here. Like that. And did you get named? Yes, you are named a wall supply. Okay, that's correct. And I think, are we in build? Yes, we are in build area. Bots will finish building that, and it goes, does the build area include this? Yes, it does. Okay, so then, I know there's a train already blueprinted. Excellent. And look, they're already delivering stuff. So that's what I was missing before. I was missing the ability to make these requester chests, the blue ones. And this blueprint, there's already items being requested. It's already in the chest blueprint. So you can see that's requesting flamethrower turrets. This is requesting medium electric. Walls, pipes, obviously, and more pipes there, and construction bots there. Are construction bots in a chest? I don't remember if I must have, I guess. They're picking them up somewhere. Let's see, what would I be building right here? And are you in a... Yes, you are in a chest. Okay. You don't have power. That's kind of odd. No, you do. You're not in a robot zone. We'll need to fix that. Let's put you in the robot zone. The orange part of the roboport needs to be... Those chests need to be in the orange part of roboport, the logistic part. They're going to need fuel. Are you getting fuel? You are kind of getting fuel. You're making fuel, and you're putting it in there. And it's going down that way. Let me split off of here. Let's bring some fuel down this way. And let's go down here and give you some fuel. In fact, you don't need to be like that. You can be like this. And you can be like this. Okay, that will give you some fuel. And you are getting supplies. And you are programmed to go here, which is called wall supply. Yes, it is. And wait for 30 seconds of inactivity. And then go to wall repair and wait for 5 seconds of inactivity. Okay, and then the wall repair, which is the one I put out there in the previous episode, somewhere right here. This one has logic on it, and the logic is controlling the train stop. So the train stop can be enabled or disabled based upon the logic. And so if there's something missing, if this station is wanting stuff that's not there, the logic enables the train stop. That's what this light is indicating. It says this is enabled. And so the train, the one that I'm building right now, will go out there and stop at this station. If everything is in there, if it doesn't need stuff, this light will not be on and this station will be disabled. So in the actual program of the train, this wall repair right here would not be enabled. So the train won't go there because that station will not be enabled. Right now the station is enabled so the train can go there. Okay, are we waiting for anything else? It looks like there's stuff there. Okay, so let's see. Let me get in the train. And let's go automatic. And let's see if it's going to move. Okay, it's going to wait. Okay, so it's waiting for... Are we still loading stuff? We're still loading something, apparently. What are we loading? We should not be loading anything. I think it's full. Oh, maybe it's fuel. Yes, it's fuel. Okay, it's loading fuel. Yeah, there we go. Here, let's speed it up. I'll do a control click and give it some fuel. So now it's waiting. And I don't think there's any activity. So this bar will go across. And if there's no activity, by the time it gets to the end, then the train should go to wall repair, which is the one out there by the wall. And now fuel is backed up. There we go. Now we're going out to the wall. So obviously that train stop out there is enabled. It wants the train to stop there. Okay. And it puts stuff into the chests. I don't remember. Disabled by control behavior. Okay, so it's not asking for wall segments. It's not asking for pipe. But it was for medium electric and it was for flamethrower turrets. Those must not have been built. The medium electric and flamethrower turrets must not have, they must have been missing a few. I'm guessing. That's what the issue was. You know, I could request laser turrets now and put those in there. And I'm not putting those in the train, am I? I could do that though. And then the bots would actually build those. That might be interesting. Anyway, so it is running, and it will bring the stuff that is being... Oh, I have some. Oh, I do have some. Well, I've got a bunch. Let me just go down through here and place them since I have them. I won't need to request them. I'll just, if I have enough, I'll just place them myself. I don't know how many I even had. I had a few. I had 100, I guess. Yeah, they typically don't get destroyed. The wall segments will occasionally, you'll lose one of those. I guess flamethrower turrets don't get destroyed either, but I think I had those in the logic for the train, didn't I? Pipe gets destroyed. Pipe is pretty weak. But the nice thing about flamethrower turrets... Oh, see, there's a bug there. No, not really a bug, but this should be like this. I mentioned that before. I didn't notice that there was an issue on some of those. Do you have oil now? Yeah. Glad I noticed that. I ran out of laser turrets. Let me check all these others. Pipe gets destroyed fairly easily. You don't even need to be there. But the flamethrower will hold quite a bit of oil. So even if the pipe is destroyed, once there's oil in there, it can fire for quite a long time. And these all have oil in them. Now, if you point to the pipe right there and look on the right, there's a bar, and it says crude oil, 97.8, 97.9, 98. So it's got a lot of oil in it. I mean, I need to check these others to see if there's another connection issue. I thought I had checked those, but apparently I hadn't. Yes. And you have oil. Okay. I guess they're okay. So if I wanted to have the train bring laser turrets, which it currently is not, go over here to this constant combinator, that's this one, and click on it. And in here, put the items you would like the train to bring and enter them as a negative number. So if I want the train to bring laser turrets, find the laser turrets right there. And let's say I wanted to bring, I don't know, 10. I'm not going to need many. Yeah, let's do 20. I think there should be plenty in the main base. So minus 20. That's how many I wanted to bring. And then in here, in the cargo wagon, need to set the filter. And I want laser turrets. Oops, wrong thing. I didn't want to clear it. And I need to put the number there. Oh, that's how many I have. Yeah, that's what the filter should be. Like that, laser turrets. Okay, so the cargo wagon has the filter. Oh, and I need to unload them somewhere. So let's see, do I have room to do that here? I do have room to put that there. So let's put a filter inserter. Let's set the filter to laser turret, like that. Okay, we can override the stack size, I don't care. 1 is fine. Okay. So you will unload laser turrets. You have a slot for laser turrets. You are requesting laser turrets. Okay. Now let's go back to the factory. I just put it on automatic. I need to set up the loading of laser turrets. Back at the factory. And I want you to wait. Like that. And I need laser turrets. So give me, let's see, let's put those right here. And I'm going, oops. What did I have set for those? 1 stack. Give me laser turrets. Laser turrets. Okay, there's the request. And you go there. And these may not be in storage. On the way, oh, it says there's 2. That's not a bunch. I may not be putting those in storage chests. Let me see, where are you being built? There's a bunch of other stuff on the way. Laser turrets. Where did I build those? Where am I building those? Over here. Right there. You're not running. Well, you're running. We're weak on steel. We are really weak on steel. That's just because we're weak on steel. You know what I could do? I could make those steel furnaces. Where am I? Where am I at here? My phone is beeping and doing all kinds of things. Sorry about that. I need to boost steel production. Okay. So stone furnaces is what I have in there now. That's what you start with. Steel furnaces produce more items. They're faster. Steel furnaces right here. They still burn coal. You need steel and stone brick to build them. So let me see if I can update those furnaces that I currently have to steel furnaces. And then that will boost the steel production. I think it should double it if I do it right. So let me do this. Oh, I'll show you here, just real briefly. So you need stone brick. You need steel and stone brick. And you can handcraft them. You can say I'm handcrafting. So I'll make some of these, and I'll go over here to where steel is being built, right here. And I'll replace, or tell the bots to replace, or I'll replace all these stone furnaces with steel furnaces. And then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. There's a better idea. Rather than handcrafting those, let's set up a machine right over here. I need steel and stone brick, and there's steel and stone brick. So let's see if I did, can you reach? You can reach stone brick. So let's do this. And then some power would be nice. Power, not you. Power. Where's power? Power's up here. There's steel and stone brick. And if I had a machine, there was a machine, and you could make a steel furnace, and you could put that into a passive provider chest, like that, and like that, and like that, and 1 stack. Let's make 2 stacks. 2 stacks. Now we're making steel furnaces. Now we'll go over here, and we'll take our upgrade planner. Let me see. Let's make an upgrade planner. Let's make a special one. So let me have this. Left click, Press E, drop it in my inventory, right click on it. Now I want to upgrade from stone furnace to steel furnace. I also want to upgrade from yellow belt to red belt because steel furnaces are going to consume more material, so I'm going to need red belt. So let's try that. I don't think I need to upgrade the inserters. I think just the furnaces and the belt. And then maybe the splitters. Let's see, let's do the splitters as well. Like that, let's try that. So then there's my upgrade planner right there. So then you pick up your upgrade planner and you go over here and you drag it across the things you want to upgrade. So like here, for example, let's upgrade all of that. And it shows them, the upgrades, what it's going to be upgraded to is what it shows. And let's see, do I need to upgrade anything else? Oh yeah, I need to upgrade this. These need to be red belt here. Maybe. Let's see, let me have this again. Because it's going the steel furnaces are going to consume more than the stone furnaces. Let's try that. Here, let's upgrade these. Let's make you a red belt. Like that. This does not need to be a red belt. It's really hard to get a red belt of steel. You can see how weak it is right now. So those upgrades that I've done, if I did them correctly, will double the output of the steel smelter, and it still will not be enough to fill up that belt. But it'll be twice as much as I had. So let's let the bots work on that. Okay, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when they're finished working on stuff. Okay, steel production is a little bit better. They're still building it. So now the bots are able to deliver a few laser turrets. I've got 19 in the train. Let's get in the train and put it back on automatic. And it's going to wait 30 seconds. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to call the wall repair. Let's just verify that the bots are going to put those laser turrets out there. Why did we... Okay, we stopped for... I must be missing some signals somewhere. Oh, probably down through here. Yeah, there's no signals down that whole stretch. Right there. There's the first signal right there. Okay, that's fine. I probably could use some, but it's not bad. So I have a few laser turrets in the cargo wagon. Let's go to manual. And laser turrets are being unloaded. And if there are any construction bots around here, there are some construction bots. They will pick those up and put them along the wall. I just want to verify that. Let you see what they're doing. There they are. And they're going this way too. And you ran out of charge. Okay, but they're going to build now with laser turrets, or put the laser turrets. Maybe. There we go. So now they will go down through there, the whole wall, and they will place laser... Are you not in? Is there no robo... Oh, there's a robo part down here. Why does this look different? What's different about this? Oh, it's the laser. Oh. Oh yes, it's the laser turrets. I've got the turret coverage turned on right here. So that red bubble, not that one. Oh yeah, that's from the laser turrets. And there we go. And there are no laser turrets up there yet. So there was no red bubble. there is. So they will place the laser turrets down through there. And then of course if one was damaged or destroyed, I should say, they would get replaced because they're being supplied by train. So it's working. I just don't know why I didn't have it in there before. I guess it wasn't a high priority. Maybe I wasn't losing as much or as many of those. But you can see what I did to add laser turrets to the wall repair station. So I should do that around the others here because I don't have that in any of them right now, but I can do that off camera. So there's the wall repair station now with lasers and the bots, and laser turrets are being built and the bots are placing them, and now the wall is very secure. So what the laser turrets do is, flamethrower turrets, are super powerful. But what the flamethrower turrets do is, sorry, I'm scrolling so fast here. When the biters start approaching, the flamethrower will shoot and the flame will arc through the air, and it's so slow that it misses the bug. So the bug can actually get past the flamethrower turret and start attacking the wall. That's what the laser turrets are for. Laser turrets will shoot the bugs, before they get to the wall and stop them. And then if there's a huge attack, the flame will be on the ground at that point, and then that'll take care of the rest of them. And you can see this arc right here. Again, that was this button right here, turret coverage. It's different for the turret types. So if I point to the laser turret, see that arc, that circle? That's how far the laser turret can shoot. And then here's the flamethrower up here. Oops, right there. There's the flamethrower. There's the flamethrower. There's the laser turret. So the flamethrower's got more range than the laser turret does. But, because of the flame travel time, it's so slow through the air, I like to do it like this. This takes care of the bugs that get up next to the wall, and then this takes care of all the rest. And the flame stays on the ground. You've seen it. Stays on the ground longer. You don't... Are you... Oh, okay, it's just building them as they're being delivered. That makes sense. Yeah, the flame will stay on the ground longer, so it takes care of all the rest. So let me get back in the train here, and I'm going to get stranded out here. Let's go back to automatic, and now it's going to go back to wall supply, and it's going back to wall supply. That's what I want. So I will do this. I will put the same sort of thing on the other walls. I'll do that off camera. It's just complaining that there are missing laser turrets, but well, I showed you I already have these in the build area over here. These laser turrets will get placed. I just need to do the same thing I did there with the wall repair station over here and down here. Or the other option is you could just do one wall repair station and you could connect these networks together. You could do roboports down through here and over to there. I don't think I would do that because it's so big body of water the bots would need to fly across. I think I would just do a wall repair station over here and over here. I mean, you maybe could do a wall repair station, one wall repair station over here. That's still too far, I think, for bots to fly. I would rather do two of them, two wall repair stations. So I'll do that off camera. Wall repair station there and there. And I'll show you what that looks like the next time. Okay, the steel production is increasing. I'm going to go out here right now, I think, in the wall supply train. I'm going to build a wall repair station like I did here for these two walls. And what I was just thinking about is I was thinking about combining them. That might be kind of fun. So rather than build two separate stations, what if I brought roboports straight back this way and straight up this way, and then put the wall repair station here. That way the train could come down and put supplies in here. The bots could fly from there to there and from there to there. I'm just trying different things. So let's try that. If I went to approximately here with the train, let's go right about here. Are you going? Oh, maybe it's going to a different. What are you doing? You are going to... Maybe it was called to the other wall. Okay, well, we'll just make the other wall wait. So if I did a wall repair station like here, let me think. Bots could fly there, bots could fly, yeah, so if I go here and do that, let's try that. Basically where I am. So give me, it's okay if, I think it's okay if the bots fly in a straight line. I just don't want them to fly off and get stuck somewhere. Let's go right about there. Like that. Sure. That will work. Do I not have any signals? Yes, I do. I don't know when you watch, of course, I don't know when you watch these. It may be far into the future, I don't know, but as I'm recording this, I've got a lot of concern for what's going on with Israel. So I find it very hard to focus right now. Of course, those of you that have watched any of my videos know that I generally always find it very hard to focus, but I have a real reason for finding it hard to focus right now. Okay, that looks okay. So if I brought, yeah, straight down to here. Give me, let's see, if I brought, no, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. I just want rail. I basically want to go down to there. Bots, you're too slow. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. You're supposed to be jet powered. And I'm running around with my puny little suit and a couple exoskeletons, and I'm way faster than you. Come on, hurry up. I'm going to turn you off. Okay, and I want to go, let's go down to right about there. So maybe one more short rail section. Like this, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. Does that look about right? I don't want to, well, I guess I'm going to have to cut through the copper mine no matter what, aren't I? There's no way to get over there without cutting, well, I could go above it and angle down. Yeah, I probably should do that. Probably should go to the right. Oh, let's see now. If the bots do it, yeah, I won't need to put rail. I just need to put the, I just need to have roboports over here, like that and that. So this is about right, like this. Yeah, let's put. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, and I'm not surprised. As I say, I'm having trouble focusing. So let's go. Can I put a U-turn here? So the train will come over here, go down here. The wall repair station will be here. And then roboports will connect there, and roboports will connect there. Yeah, let's try that. Let's see if it works. So give me wall repair station. This one. And see if this is a terrible idea. So you're going to go there. Well, either side. Doesn't matter. Let's go like this. Okay, there's the wall repair station. Give me some power. Okay. Now, if I connect you with roboports. What'd you say? Oh, there's a medium electric pole up there that was in the way. Okay. Do I not have any of these? I don't have any roboports. All right, I'll grab some roboports and I'll be right back. Let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm putting roboports. So here's the wall repair station. The train brings the supplies down to here. Now what I want is I've got the roboports connecting down to this wall, so robots will fly. They'll pick up supplies and fly down here to repair or replenish this wall. I'm doing the same thing to this wall now. So the repair station is here, and robots will grab the goods and go there or go there. But anyway, I'm building across through here, and I've reached water. So I don't know if I've shown this recently or not. So this is my blueprint for, it's called Roboport Column. And the Roboport Column, if you look at the actual print, if you right click on it, I know it's hard to see, but there's landfill under the items, under the electric poles and under the roboports, there's landfill. So if you pick up that blueprint and you have water like this has here, what you do is you hold down Shift and you left click, and it will it'll blueprint in landfill. You won't see the electric poles, you'll just see landfill blueprinted in there. So let me show you right there. I'll zoom in so you can see it. So Shift click, and there was landfill, and there's landfill there. It's hard to see, but you see there's landfill. Now I can't quite reach that with my bots. If I go over here, I think my bots will fill that in. Okay. There we go. So now you get to print again. It's a two-step process. So now that there's landfill, zoom in so we can see it here. Now if there's landfill, you can click and it'll blueprint in the actual items on the landfill. Except it's not going to cooperate now. There we go. Now why didn't you put the roboport over there for me? Do I not have any more? I used them all. That's why you didn't put it. Oh, I can build one. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, so you do shift click, it puts the landfill print, and then get the same blueprint again, and click it down there again, and that's how you build across water. So I just wanted to show you that. I'll grab a couple more roboports, and I'm almost there, and finish putting this over to that wall over there. Okay, so I've got the train bringing supplies just like before, but now it's bringing them out here into the middle, and you can see the roboports are connected to this point, to this wall, and to this point, to this wall, so the bots can fly along in a fairly straight line. If they wander off like those just did and run out of charge, they have to come back to this straight path here. So the bots will go pick up supplies and take it down to the wall, and right now they're placing laser turrets. So it's just the same as if it were damaged, right? So just assume this was destroyed, and now they're replacing it. But it's just, in this case, they're building it from scratch. So there they are. That one's got a laser turret. It's going to place it down there. And the same thing over here. Yeah, I think that's going to work. It's not that far. And if the bots wander off, they pretty much, like these did, they ran out of charge. They fly to the nearest roboport, and so that basically means they're going to get back on track. They're going to be going up and down the straight line again. So and these are going to do the same thing. They'll run out of charge. They'll go to the nearest roboport, recharge, and it'll build all that. It'll put all those laser turrets down through there, and all those laser turrets down through there. And it's not a high volume thing. It's not very often that a laser turret gets destroyed. If it does, there'll be plenty of time for the bots to repair them. So I threw some construction bots in here in this network down here, and you can see they're flying around with that stuff. So I think that'll work. That, just a fun little thing to try. If you have walls that are close by like these, you might want to try just putting one repair station and let the bots fly to that repair station. I could have just as easily run the rail down there and put the repair station there and one there. Same idea, but just having fun, trying different things. So that's what it looks like. I've got wall repair station there. The train is delivering to that. The train at the station. The train is delivering to this station, and the bots are flying back and forth and taking care of those. And then these two walls, they're in the main network. So, yeah, this wall, and this wall. The bots just fly back to the main base and take care of that. So I think now every wall is being supplied either by train or directly from the main factory, and with bots doing the repair. And in this case, the building, right? Because well, these are almost placed, aren't they? Right, there's one missing. Almost all of them. Pardon me, I sneezed. I just put that down there. So I think that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. Take care. Have fun playing. See you next time. Bye-bye.